Do use herbs, and celery is an excellent kidney herb. Here are the kidney herbs. Parsley is another excellent kidney herb, and couch grass is another excellent herb. Now I'll give you a few others. Corn silk.
Caring for your kidneys is crucial for maintaining overall health, and there are simple, natural ways to support their function. Herbs can play a powerful role in this, and while many people may not be aware, these natural remedies can significantly impact kidney health. Have you ever wondered if nature could hold the key to healthier kidneys? Imagine being able to protect your kidneys and reduce the risk of dialysis by using just a few simple herbs. Sounds incredible, right? In this video, Dr. Barbara O'Neill reveals groundbreaking information about 4 remarkable herbs that can help safeguard your kidneys and potentially lower the risk of needing dialysis.
And we got her to drink a litre of that tea every day, and the legs went down.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill is a respected health educator and a renowned author with extensive expertise in natural healing and holistic health practices. With her wealth of experience and deep passion for helping individuals achieve optimal well-being, Dr. O'Neill has dedicated her career to providing valuable insights and practical advice on natural remedies. She emphasizes that incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can have a transformative effect on your kidney health. These herbs are not only natural and effective but have also been trusted in traditional medicine for centuries. Whether you are dealing with kidney issues, experiencing a decline in kidney function, or even facing the possibility of dialysis, these extraordinary herbs offer a natural and effective approach to restore kidney health without unwanted complications. Dr. O'Neill's approach emphasizes the use of time-tested herbs that support the kidneys and enhance overall well-being. Make sure to stay until the end of the video, where Dr. O'Neill will reveal her special herbal tea recipe, which has helped countless individuals improve their kidney health and avoid the need for dialysis. This exclusive recipe combines these powerful herbs to create a potent blend designed to boost kidney function and promote long-term health. Now, let's delve deeper into these herbs, starting with number 1, celery. Celery may seem like a humble vegetable, but its potential for kidney health is extraordinary. Often pushed aside as a garnish or salad filler, this crunchy green stalk is actually a powerhouse when it comes to supporting kidney function. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, an expert in holistic health, highlights the impressive benefits of celery for the kidneys, a perspective backed not only by traditional wisdom but also by modern scientific research. Let's explore why celery deserves to be a central part of your kidney health regimen and how it can help in different stages of kidney disease. Celery is packed with an array of powerful compounds that work together to promote kidney health. Key players include antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, which act as protectors for your kidneys, shielding them from harmful free radicals that can lead to oxidative stress and damage. But that's just the beginning. Celery also contains a special flavonoid called apigenin. This compound has been shown to possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. This is crucial for kidney health, as inflammation plays a significant role in the progression of kidney disease. By reducing inflammation, celery can help slow down or even prevent further kidney damage. Celery's benefits are not just theoretical, its impact has been observed at various stages of kidney disease. In the early stages, celery's diuretic properties are especially beneficial. These properties help flush out toxins and excess fluids, reducing the burden on the kidneys and aiding in their overall function. For those with more advanced stages of kidney disease, celery offers another advantage: its ability to lower blood pressure. Compounds in celery, such as PHT halides, help relax the walls of blood vessels, improving blood flow and ultimately reducing blood pressure. This is vital because high blood pressure is a major risk factor that contributes to the progression of kidney disease. The scientific community has recognized the potential of celery in supporting kidney health. The American Journal of Kidney Diseases published a study involving 630 participants with chronic kidney disease who incorporated celery into their diet for a 12-month period. The results were impressive. Participants who regularly consumed celery showed a 15% improvement in kidney function markers compared to the control group. Such findings emphasize that celery is more than just a garnish, it's a valuable ally in maintaining and improving kidney health. But the benefits of celery don't stop at supporting kidney function. It also plays a role in blood sugar regulation, which is essential for overall health and kidney wellness. Celery contains high fiber content and compounds like apigenin that work synergistically to balance blood sugar levels. By improving insulin sensitivity and slowing the absorption of sugars, celery can help prevent and manage type 2 diabetes, a condition often linked to kidney issues. For those dealing with or at risk for diabetes, incorporating celery into the diet can provide dual benefits for blood sugar control and kidney health. If you're wondering how to maximize celery's kidney-boosting powers, Dr. Barbara O'Neill has an effective solution: her special celery seed tea recipe. This blend is not only delicious but also potent in promoting kidney health. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's celery seed tea is not just a delightful beverage but also a powerful remedy for enhancing kidney health. To prepare this tea, start by crushing a tablespoon of organic celery seeds using the back of a spoon. This helps to release their potent oils, making the tea more effective. In a pot, combine the crushed celery seeds with a cinnamon stick, a slice of fresh ginger about the size of a quarter, and a strip of lemon peel approximately 2 inches long. Pour in 4 cups of filtered water and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once it begins to simmer, lower the heat and allow it to steep for about 15 minutes. This process will fill your kitchen with a soothing aroma as the ingredients release their beneficial compounds into the water. After steeping, strain the tea into your favorite mug. If you prefer a bit of sweetness, you can stir in a teaspoon of raw honey to enhance the flavor naturally. This tea can be enjoyed warm in the morning as a way to kickstart your day or served iced in the afternoon for a refreshing, kidney-boosting treat. The combination of celery seeds, cinnamon, ginger, and lemon not only supports kidney health but also delivers a delightful blend of flavors, making it both a beneficial and enjoyable addition to your daily routine. Next, number 2, parsley. Parsley, often seen as a simple garnish, is a powerhouse of health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting kidney health. Dr. Barbara O'Neill highlights the incredible potential of parsley, which isn't just for decorating dishes but is packed with powerful compounds that can significantly boost your kidney function. Celery and parsley are excellent kidney herbs, and as Dr. O'Neill shares, the science behind their benefits is compelling. First, let's dive into the nutritional profile of parsley. This herb is rich in flavonoids like apigenin and luteolin, which are potent antioxidants. These compounds work as powerful defenders, protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Along with flavonoids, parsley contains high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron, making it a nutrient-dense herb comparable to a multivitamin in plant form. This blend of vitamins and minerals supports overall kidney health by maintaining proper function and protecting the organs from damage. As we age, especially beyond 50, the body becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress, which can damage tissues, including those in the kidneys. This is where parsley's antioxidants step in, acting like tiny superheroes that neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and safeguarding kidney tissues. For older individuals, this can translate to better kidney function, reduced risk of kidney disease progression, and overall healthier aging. Parsley also possesses natural diuretic properties, meaning it can help the kidneys flush out toxins and reduce their workload. Think of it as giving your kidneys a gentle cleanse, allowing them to function more efficiently. Regularly consuming parsley can be a simple yet powerful way to enhance kidney health, naturally supporting the body's detoxification processes. Now, if you're wondering how to maximize parsley's benefits, there are a few simple tips. To fully absorb the antioxidants and fat-soluble vitamins like A and K, pair parsley with a healthy fat source. Drizzling a bit of olive oil over a parsley-rich salad or adding avocado slices can help unlock the herb's full potential, enhancing nutrient absorption and delivering maximum kidney support. Timing also plays a role in preserving parsley's antioxidant content when cooking. High temperatures can diminish these valuable compounds, so it's best to add fresh parsley at the end of the cooking process. A quick sprinkle just before serving ensures that you get the maximum antioxidant benefit, keeping the nutrients intact. While dried parsley still has some benefits, it doesn't quite match the potency of fresh parsley, which is packed with more of the antioxidants and vitamins that support kidney health. If you prefer a simple yet effective way to enjoy parsley's benefits, Dr. Barbara O'Neill offers a fantastic parsley tea recipe. Start by rinsing about a quarter cup of fresh parsley leaves, leaving them whole to keep things easy. Place the leaves in a mug or heat-safe glass. For an added boost, slice a small piece of fresh ginger and add it to the parsley. Pour hot, but not boiling, water over the herbs. This gentle heat will preserve the antioxidants without destroying them. Allow the mixture to steep for 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, you can relax, do some deep breathing, or stretch, an extra bit of self-care while your tea brews. Once steeped, add a slice of lemon for a zesty flavor and a boost of vitamin C if you like a touch of sweetness. Stir in a teaspoon of raw honey, which not only enhances the taste but also adds its own health benefits. You can choose to strain the tea or leave the parsley leaves for an added nutrient punch. The result is a refreshing and aromatic drink, packed with powerful nutrients that go to work supporting your kidneys. For a refreshing variation, you can make a larger batch and store it in the fridge for an iced tea version. This is perfect for warm afternoons when you need a cooling, kidney-boosting pick-me-up. The blend of fresh parsley, ginger, and lemon creates a revitalizing drink that both your kidneys and taste buds will appreciate. As you savor your parsley tea, you might wonder, what other herbs could further enhance kidney health? Stay tuned because we're about to reveal another lesser-known, yet incredibly potent herb that's sure to impress. Moving to number 3, couchgrass. Couchgrass, also known as Elamus repens, is an underrated herb with incredible potential for supporting kidney health. Often seen as an invasive weed, this humble plant packs a powerful punch when it comes to promoting kidney function and overall urinary health. Dr. Barbara O'Neill has successfully used couchgrass tea to treat kidney issues, and the results have been impressive, as seen when a liter of this tea daily significantly reduced swelling in a patient's legs. Let's explore what makes couchgrass such a valuable ally for kidney health. The magic behind couchgrass lies in its unique composition. This herb is rich in various bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, saponins, volatile oils, and, most notably, polysaccharides. These components work synergistically to support kidney function, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthier urinary tract. While flavonoids and saponins have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, it's the polysaccharides that truly stand out as the star players. Polysaccharides, often referred to as nature's complex carbohydrates, are a fascinating group of compounds. In couchgrass, they act as gentle, natural diuretics. However, unlike stimulants such as caffeine that simply increase urine output, polysaccharides in couchgrass support the kidneys by enhancing their natural filtration abilities. They help the kidneys remove excess water and toxins more effectively without straining the organs, making couchgrass an excellent option for those seeking to support their kidneys naturally. For individuals in the early stages of kidney disease, particularly stage 1, couchgrass could be a game changer. The polysaccharides not only help reduce inflammation, but they also assist in optimizing the kidney's filtration process. It's as if these compounds act as a kidney whisperer, encouraging the kidneys to work more efficiently and gently flush out waste. This supportive effect can reduce the overall workload on the kidneys, potentially slowing the progression of kidney disease, a remarkable benefit for those looking to maintain kidney health over time. Now, you might be wondering how to get the most out of couchgrass and its beneficial polysaccharides. To maximize absorption and effectiveness, consider pairing couchgrass tea or supplements with a healthy fat. A small amount of coconut oil or a few slices of avocado can enhance the body's ability to absorb these complex carbohydrates, much like rolling out the red carpet for these kidney-supportive compounds. Adding a fat source helps ensure that the body absorbs and utilizes these valuable nutrients more effectively, allowing you to experience the full benefits of this powerful herb. But the benefits of couchgrass extend beyond just kidney health. Its anti-inflammatory properties also support urinary tract health, reducing the risk of infections that can further stress the kidneys. Inflammation in the urinary tract can exacerbate kidney issues, so reducing this risk is like getting a 2-for-1 deal on your health. By incorporating couchgrass into your routine, you can support both your kidneys and your urinary system, making it a comprehensive natural remedy. If you're interested in adding couchgrass to your health regimen, it's readily available in several forms. You can often find it as a tea or a supplement at health food stores. Drinking couchgrass tea is one of the simplest and most effective ways to enjoy its benefits. Just brew a few teaspoons of the dried herb in hot water, let it steep for about 10 minutes, and sip the tea to support your kidneys and urinary health naturally. Before incorporating couch grass into your routine, especially if you are managing kidney disease, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can guide you on the appropriate dosage and help ensure that couch grass complements your existing treatment plan. As with any supplement, safety and suitability should be carefully considered, particularly when dealing with kidney conditions. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of couch grass, you might be curious about what other hidden treasures could help support kidney health. Imagine that the next potent herb could already be sitting in your kitchen, hiding in a part you'd never expect, like the silky threads you often toss when prepping corn. That's right, corn silk is another remarkable kidney helper. Stay tuned as we uncover the next secret in this fascinating journey of natural kidney care. Finally, number 4, corn silk. Corn silk, often discarded as an afterthought, is a remarkable natural remedy with significant benefits for kidney health. These silky strands are not just a nuisance, they are brimming with compounds that can support your urinary system and overall well-being. Available in dried form at health food stores or freshly harvested from organic corn, corn silk is a powerful ally worth considering for your health routine. Rich in flavonoids, vitamins, and minerals, corn silk's most notable features are its alkaloids. Though they might sound familiar from chemistry class, alkaloids play a vital role in kidney care. They function as natural blood pressure regulators, inflammation reducers, and gentle diuretics, making corn silk a versatile and effective remedy for kidney health. One of the standout benefits of corn silk is its ability to help regulate blood pressure. The alkaloids act as tiny traffic controllers, ensuring smooth blood flow and relieving pressure on the kidneys. This is particularly important for individuals dealing with hypertension, as high blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney damage. By promoting healthy circulation, corn silk can alleviate some of the strain on the kidneys, potentially decreasing the risk of kidney disease progression. In addition to its blood pressure benefits, corn silk is known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Inflammation can hinder kidney function, especially in those with chronic kidney disease. The alkaloids in corn silk act as natural anti-inflammatories, helping to soothe the kidneys and protect them from further harm. This soothing effect is akin to a gentle massage for your kidneys, reducing the likelihood of complications. Moreover, corn silk supports the nervous system, enhancing overall body communication. A well-functioning nervous system contributes to balanced blood flow and reduced stress on the kidneys, creating a favorable environment for kidney health. Corn silk's diuretic properties also promote urine production, helping to flush the urinary system and lowering the risk of infections and kidney stones. This gentle cleansing can significantly benefit those prone to urinary tract infections, UTIs, or kidney stones, making corn silk a valuable addition to your health regimen. Incorporating corn silk into your daily routine is easy. One popular method is brewing corn silk tea. Simply steep a few teaspoons of dried corn silk in hot water for 10-15 minutes. You can enjoy this tea warm or chilled, making it a refreshing option for kidney support. Corn silk is also available in supplement form, offering a convenient way to enjoy its benefits. Before adding corn silk to your routine, it's wise to consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions. With its multitude of benefits, corn silk is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their kidney health naturally. In conclusion, integrating kidney-friendly herbs like parsley, couchgrass, and corn silk into your daily routine can significantly boost your kidney health. These natural remedies offer numerous benefits, from reducing inflammation to supporting urinary function. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips. Share your experiences with these herbs in the comments below, and stay tuned for our next episode as we continue exploring ways to enhance your well-being. Remember, your kidneys deserve the best.